Is your Volvo V40's alarm randomly going off? The most common culprits are the Siren module, bonnet switch, and the battery. The Siren module often malfunctions, causing false alarms. The bonnet switch can corrode or misalign, sending incorrect signals. A weak battery can cause voltage drops, mimicking intrusion attempts. First, check your battery's voltage. It should be above 12.4 volts. If it's low, consider a new AGM battery for better stability. Visually inspect the bonnet switch for corrosion or damage. Clean the contacts and apply dielectric grease. For deeper diagnostics, use an OBD2 scanner to check for error codes like B160, which indicates a bonnet switch fault. Remember that software updates from Volvo can address false positives by recalibrating sensor thresholds. Many Volvo V40 alarm issues can be resolved with simple DIY fixes. Cleaning and realigning the bonnet switch is often effective. Aftermarket diagnostic apps like Torque Pro and OBD-Link can help pinpoint the problem. If you're comfortable with basic car maintenance, start with the battery and bonnet switch. If the alarm persists, the Siren module is likely the issue, and a dealer visit is recommended. In general, if you encounter communication fault codes like U010, or if the Siren module needs replacement, seek professional help to ensure proper programming and prevent further issues.